Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to cancel a Zelle payment through Citibank in 2025. If you've ever hit that send button a little too quickly and regretted it, this guide is for you. Zelle is a fast way to transfer money, but mistakes happen, and knowing how to reverse them can save you a headache. Let's jump right in. First things first, time is crucial with Zelle payments because they often process almost instantly. So, act fast. Start by opening the Citibank mobile app or logging into your account on their website. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for 2025 updates, which include enhanced security features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Look for the Zelle option. It's usually under a dedicated tab. Here, you'll see a list of your recent or pending transactions. Find the payment you want to cancel. It has to be pending and not yet completed. Select that transaction, and you should see a details page. Look for a Cancel Payment or Recall button. Click on it, and the system will prompt you to confirm. Double-check the details to make sure you're canceling the right one. After confirmation, Citibank will process your request. Keep in mind, not all payments can be canceled if they've already been sent and accepted by the recipient. In those cases, you might need to contact the recipient directly or reach out to Citibank customer support for help. For 2025, Citibank has streamlined this process with better notifications, so you'll get an email or app alert confirming the cancellation. A quick tip: to avoid future mishaps, always double-check the recipient's details before sending. And if you're dealing with a large amount, consider using Citibank's new verification tools. There you have it. That's how you cancel a Zelle payment with Citibank in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.